Coming to the last section, build your own coin. Forking in cryptocurrency means blockchain forking. It's essentially a split in the blockchain network. Blockchain network in most cases is open source software and the code is freely available. This means that anyone can propose improvements and change the code. The option is, to experiment on open source software is a fundamental part of the cryptocurrencies and also facilitates software updates to the blockchain. Forks occur when the software of different miners becomes misaligned. It's up to miners to decide which blockchain to continue using. If there isn't a unanimous decision, then this can result in the creation of two versions of the blockchain. In layman's terms, a blockchain fork is a software update. All blockchain participants run the same software, and also it's crucial that they run the same version of that software to be able to access the shared ledger to verify transactions and ensure network security. Therefore, every time you want to change your blockchain parameters or introduce new features, you will need to create a fork. Fork can be of two types: hard fork and soft fork. Hard fork means it's a radical change to software which requires all users to upgrade to latest version of the software. Nodes running on the previous version of the software will no longer be accepted on the new version. It's a permanent divergence from the previous versions of the blockchain if there is not an anonymous consent for the new version. This can result in two blockchains using a variant of the same software. It requires 90 to 95% of the nodes to update their software. The creation of Bitcoin Cash from Bitcoin is an example of hard fork. And soft fork, it is backward compatible. The upgraded blockchain is responsible for validating transactions, but nodes that do not get updated will still see the new blocks as valid. Simply, a majority of the nodes are required to update the software, and those who run a previous version can continue to operate. These have been used on Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains, among others. And what are Bitcoin forks? As Bitcoin become more and more popular, the blockchain technology it was built on slowed down. This resulted in the entire system becoming unreliable and the transaction fees getting more expensive. Forks allow for a different development structure and experimentation within the blockchain platform without compromising the original product. And some of the successful Bitcoin forks are Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin Gold. And how to create a Bitcoin fork? Uh, there are two ways. First one is coin generator. No programming skills are required. It's an automated fork coin generator where anyone can create a unique Bitcoin offshoot by changing some parameters and rules. And the next one is Git fork. It's a technical way. Mm, we should know some programming skills. And step one is you have to go to GitHub, and step two is to find, download, and compile Bitcoin code on your computer. And step 3, then comes the programming part where you will have to reconfigure the Bitcoin code and implement your customization. And step 4, you have to publish the code back to GitHub. And the last step is if possible provide a website and some kind of documentation, normally a white paper. That's it. The entire make your own cryptocurrency topic is completely completed.